Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick little recipe, but an amazing one nonetheless. Now I was requested to make this recipe by Chef Matt over at Kitchen Instruments. Go ahead and check him out. I'll leave his link in my description box for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how I make my homemade buttermilk ranch. It's absolutely delicious and it's really quick and easy. Okay, we're going to start with the mayo. And we're going to do 1 cup of mayonnaise. And of course I'll have all the measurements and ingredients in the description box for you guys. That looks about right. We're going to do 1 cup of sour cream. That looks good enough. Beautiful. We're going to do a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. We're going to do a tablespoon of some fresh squeezed lemon. Beautiful. Alright, we're going to do 1/2 tablespoon of vinegar. Alright, give that a quick little mix. Okay, so now for the seasonings. We're going to do 1.5 teaspoons of the garlic and onion powder. This is garlic. So 1.5. And then 1.5. Beautiful. And then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of the rest of the stuff, except for the salt and pepper, okay? That's to taste. So we're going to do 1 teaspoon of the chives. And we're going to do 1 teaspoon of the parsley. And then we're going to do a teaspoon of the dill. And then a teaspoon of the paprika. Beautiful. Alright, and then for the salt and pepper to taste, I would probably say 1/2 teaspoon of the salt. We don't want it too salty, and we'll taste it. And then 1/2 teaspoon or more of the pepper. We're going to give that a really nice mix. And it already smells amazing. And we're going to do just 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Perfect. And then what we'll do is go ahead and mix that really good. And then what I'll do is I'll taste it and see if we need any salt or pepper to add to it. And it's so super simple and quick, but it's really, really good. ranch recipe. Ooh, that's really, really good. I'm gonna add a little bit more black pepper. And we're good. Salt's perfect. The other seasoning is perfect. But I love freshly ground black pepper. Now, you want to chill this before you eat it. So I would chill this in the refrigerator for, you know, a couple of hours before you guys eat it. It'll get all the flavors nice and married together, and it'll thicken up. It'll be really, really nice for you guys. And just so you guys know, this will stay nice covered in the refrigerator for about a week, week and a half, okay? So just know that. See if I can do this without spilling it. Beautiful. And then what I like to do is I like to take a little bit of the chives, and I just like to sprinkle a little bit just on top. Just like that. And that's it, guys. It's really good, super quick and easy, and I think you guys are gonna really like this. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like me to make my honey mustard dressing. It's absolutely delicious. It's one of my family's favorite dressings that I make. So let me know in the comments if you guys want to see that next, and I'll go ahead and do that dressing for you as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna put this on, cover it, stick it in the refrigerator. I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.